welcome back to my channel. Today I am working on these embellishment boxes that I picked up from beadpark.com, and I will leave their information down below. But I'm going to be filling up these little fun ice cream cones. I have 10 of them here, and I'm going to get them all filled and ready. I pulled out some fun things from my stash. This little container here is all tassels. You can see I have quite a few of those. I would love to be able to share some of those. I've got these little pastel wooden beads that I picked up from Michael's. This is my little cabochon. Got a ton of, I think these are mostly bows and flowers. This is mostly candy. There's some garden party hats in there. This, I've got some fruit in here, but I think this is mostly hearts and like jemmies. So I have all these to look at. I pulled out some charm bins that I have. So these are all charms. These are like shaped beads. So I thought I'd go through there. And I think I'll make each one a little bit different. I pulled out these pom-poms. I've got some little tiny fabric ones and then some fun yarn ones. And then finally I pulled out, this is all like wood veneer shapes, like including those tiny little ones that I picked up from Dollar Tree in their containers. It's got the Scrabble letters in it, any kind of wood pieces in here. So we'll make the first one or two together, and then I'll probably just put you guys on fast forward and you can watch the rest. So like I said, I'm going to do each one a little bit different. So this first one, let's start with some candy cabochons. So these are super cute. They've got like little glitter inside of them. So I want to keep with a pastel theme. And I think on the top one here, I will just do cabochons. We'll go as pastel as we can, and then we'll just kind of keep the summer theme. So I've got like this little wrapper with a strawberry on it. We've got a little pink ice cream cone here. We'll put that in there. We'll do a couple of the garden party hats. This one's white with a pink bow. I've got this little macaron there. I'll put him in there. A little donut. And then let's take a look over here. Let's see. Got this sweet little bunny. We're going to put him in there. Got a lot of these little gem hearts. So we'll put that in there. Let's see. Go over to this one. We'll do a bow. So I've got a pink bow there. Got all kinds of these little flowers. I love these little dimensional flowers. Got a ton of these little white ones. I got these on clearance at Hobby Lobby. And I thought, well, I did buy one, and when I went the next time it's on clearance, I picked up another one, not remembering that I had one at home. So I've got quite a few of those, so we'll put quite a few sprinkled in there. And I want to make these nice and full. So, let's see, we'll add another jemmy. Got some cherries, but the strawberries are more pastel, so we'll put this little cute strawberry in there. And this little white resin bow is super cute. I do this just to make sure it's not going over the top, but this does have a little bit of dome on it, so I think I can fill it up quite a bit. We're going to go with this little white bird. Let's see. Got a little coffee cup. I think Laura made these from Laura V. Crafty. She does resin work, and I have the stuff to do resin, but I have not gotten into it yet. So I got these little pearl stars. I'll put some of those in there. They're pink. All right, I think we're doing good. Let's do another garden party hat. Oh, it's got a little paint color on it. I don't want to use that one. We'll do this hot pink one. Okay, so I think that one's good for cabochons. Now let's do a few of these floral tassels. So let's find some pastel colors. Let's see this pink one off the bat here. We'll put him in here. And then these are mostly darker colors. I do have this pink one. Oops. I'll pull this little guy out and put him in there, and then I wanted this little pink floral one to go in there. Okay, and then let's see what other tassels we have to add. Another pink one, I'm going to put that in there. Okay, so like I said, I want pastels, so I'm going to be kind of picky. Here's a nice yellow one. Here's some tiny ones. I'll put those in there. So I'm just going to put back. There's another little aqua green one. Put that in there. And put a few more of these really tiny ones. Okay, so that's it for those. And then the bottom, let's do some charms. Move this out of the way. Let's see what we got here. We'll do charms and mixed beads. How's that? All right, so a cute little giraffe. We'll put him in there. We got a nice little rainbow. Try to keep that open. Put the rainbow in there. Got a bird. Got a little daisy. Let's see, we're gonna do a pink rabbit. We'll do, oh, I've got these really pretty bows here. With these, I think I'll do one of each of those. Got a pink summer drink. Got a blow dryer. Maybe I'm gonna do these cherries. They're so cute. Love those. Put those in there. I got some other fruit in here. I'll do a watermelon and a green apple. And now let's look at the bottom one here. Okay, like I said, these are kind of just specialty kind of beads. So we'll add some of those in there. Got some of these. And then we'll do some bows. Okay, so I think that one is nice and full. Guys, these snap so nice and tight. So like, I'm just gonna, you know, you can mix them all around. Nothing is gonna go in between because they have these that come down and meet up there. So I'm really happy with how well those seal. So I'm gonna put you guys on fast forward and I'm gonna build through my next couple. Okay, there they are all finished. I did 10 of them. They're all different, filled with all kinds of goodies. And I want to thank everyone who stuck around till the end because I am going to give all 10 of these away. I hit 500 subscribers on Instagram and I hit 1,500 subscribers on YouTube, and I am thankful for each and every one of you. So if you would like to be entered to win one of these, I'm just going to take the first 10 that email me their address. My email is listed down below. It's simplyhomebynikki@gmail.com. Like I said, email me your address and name, and I'm just going to take the first 10. So thank you guys again. I couldn't have gotten this far without you, and I appreciate each and every one of you for your support and your kind comments on all of my videos. I love you all. See you in my next video. Bye.